Hello, myself Srikanth Govindrao Kalane. Here we are discuss about the metalloporphyrin ring, and already I make a PPT on the metalloporphyrin ring. This metalloporphyrin is nothing but the here metal atom attached to porphyrin ring. Here is what is here metalloporphyrin ring? You already defines. Is nothing shortly is nothing but the porphyrin ring contains a metal atom, and then here then forms a metalloporphyrin. Here the examples here hemoglobin, myoglobin, chlorophyll, cytochromes, catalase and peroxides are the well known example. Here this porphyrin ring is nothing but the microcyclic tetrapyrrole in a 18 pi aromatic ring system. Here the four folded coordination the bind the vast majority of your the metals. Here the magnesium, zinc, copper, iron. The three-dimensional architectures created from the planar framework is nothing but the here that is the structure is A. This structure A indicates here that this is a pyrrole ring. Is nothing but here the nitrogen and here double bonded carbon system. Here the whole structure is nothing but the porphyrin ring. Means here the pyrrole ring, four pyrrole ring here attached to each other through methylene bridge. And here structure C indicates this is the whole structure of here the metalloporphyrin. Means here metal atoms situated in between whole total here the porphyrin ring. Means here the nitrogen atom donates lone pair of electron to metal and then forms a metalloporphyrin structure. Here the metal is generally here nothing but the iron, magnesium, zinc, chlorophyll. Here this here the hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is nothing but the here the iron atom situated in porphyrin ring and then forms the hemoglobin. What is the function of hemoglobin? Here the function of hemoglobin transport of oxygen and storage in higher animals is provided by hemoglobin and myoglobin. Means here the function is of hemoglobin is nothing but transport of oxygen to the whole part or provides oxygen to the tissue and get carbon dioxide in the hemoglobin and the deoxy form here and provides and back goes to the lungs and here the expels CO2. That is here the whole structure of the hemoglobin. Means here the iron atom situated in between of the whole porphyrin ring. Here the nitrogen of here the four nitrogen atoms donate pair of electron forms a coordinate bond and here the secondary structure of the hemoglobin is nothing but here. The function of hemoglobin all known very well. Here the transport of oxygen from lungs to the tissues and releases the oxygen permitted by aerobic respiration to provide energy to the power of the function of the organism in the whole process called metabolism. Healthy individual has 12 to 20 grams of hemoglobin in every 100 ml of blood. Thank you. Hello, namaste. Myself Srikanth Kalane. This is a structure of hemoglobin downloaded from protein data bank. Here this is a structure of hemoglobin in the cartoon style. This form is a secondary form, means, and here this is the structure of hemoglobin in the cartoon form, but hemoglobin unit in the stick and ball form. Means this porphyrin ring is attached to the here red iron atom. Means here the totally unit is the nothing but the metalloporphyrin ring. Here also this metalloporphyrin ring means whole remaining part in the cartoon form. This is the protein part, and this is here the hemoglobin unit. Thank you.